Mga parts, we're in Ho Chi Minh. We're in Vietnam.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo.
Mga parts na nakatuwa.
If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities.
Mga parts.
If the passion's gone, we're doing it wrong.
60 meters.
Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
Vietnam.
Stay all we could be. There is nothing in between.
What's up mga parts? Another day, another vlog. For today's video mga parts, we're going to Vietnam. And yan, kasama natin si Sisling Sisid. So for today's video mga parts, it's another
Travel. It's another travel video.
It's another travel vlog, and we will be flying Philippine Airlines PR 591. So now we're waiting here at the
Almost 2 hours pala yung flight.
boarding gate. Yes, it's 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah. So yun mga pards. So far, okay naman yung experience yung flight namin from Manila to Saigon or Ho Chi Minh. And it is around 2 hours. We also arrive on time and okay din yung land. Yung price pala, yung nabook naming ticket, it's 5,000 pesos one way. So total Manila to Ho Chi Minh and Ho Chi Minh to Manila, it's 10,000 pesos per head. So I think mga parts okay na yun with comes with 30 kilograms or 30 kg luggage allowance. So kaya madami din kayong pwedeng madala and pwede rin kayo maraming bilhin kasi pabalik 30 kg din yung allowance niya. So if you will be booking Philippine Airlines, kasama na lahat, wala namang hidden charges. So travel tax na binayaran namin sa airport sa Manila, and then yun na, and then may kasama din siyang pagkain. So ngayon dito na kami sa Tan Son Nhat Airport, and dadan kami ng immigration, and then kukunin lang namin yung luggage na. Okay. So mga pards, totoo nga yung balita, mahaba nga yung pila sa immigration. Yeah. It's very long. Mga pads, we're done with the immigration. Now naman, we will look for our luggage. So mga parts, yung sinasabi nila na 1 hour dun sa immigration. For us naman, it's only 30 minutes. Mabilis naman siya.
Ito na, yung luggage.
Pero yun nga, yung mga luggage namin, ayan na siya, naka-arrange na siya. Kasi nga, medyo matagal lang siya. But, yung line namin, mga parts, na pilahan namin is mabilis lang naman. So, mga parts, andito na kami Sisling Sisid sa Grab station kung saan kayo sasakay. So, dito sa Vietnam, mga parts, mag-book lang kayo ng Grab going to your hotel. And
Nakita mo yung Grab?
mga parts, hindi gumagana yung Grab payment, yung GCash payment sa Grab. So kaya kailangan credit card. Pero mura lang kasi yung Grab namin or Grab na nabook ni Sisling Sisit is magkano? 98,000. So mga 200 pesos. Going to our hotel. So yeah, yung hotel namin, syempre i-tour natin yan. So, ito na yung Grab na yung mga parts. Yung Grab na pick up, tatawid kayo from dun sa airport. So, ito na yung Grab namin. Dito kayo mag-wait sa may parking lot. Let's go! Mga parts, sobrang mura ng Grab. Diba? Ang mura ng Grab kasi yung biyahe namin is 30 minutes to hotel, 200 pesos.
And it's
So,
big.
it's enormous.
Kasya pa 3 biyaherong bong dito.
So kaya mga parts, samahan nyo kami sisid sa aming Vietnam Day 1 adventure. It's our first day and check-in tayo sa hotel. So mga parents, dito na kami sa Sisit. Hindi pa ready yung hotel namin. So kaya lumabas muna kami para mag-withdraw sa TP Bank. Sabi mga parents, dun daw sa TP Bank mag-withdraw kasi walang charge. As in walang charge. Yun namin tatry. And then yun pala isang tip din mga parents, dun sa airport. Madami mga lumalapit na mga nag-offer ng mga Grab or taxi. Medyo may mga scam yun dito. So wag kayong mag-avail na lang, mag-book na lang kayo directly sa Grab app using credit card. Kasi as mentioned, yung Grab na GCash payment, it's not working. So ngayon, hinahanap namin yung TP Bank which is very very near lang dun sa aming hotel. So kung gusto nyo rin malaman kung saan kami nagstay, ang ganda ng hotel, sinasabi ko sa inyo mga parts. So abangan nyo yan sa ating room tour later. Mag-withdraw muna tayo. Mga parts, ito yung TP Bank. Sabi dyan daw mag-withdraw. Labi, let's go. So mga parts, ito na yung TP Bank. Dito daw tayo mag-withdraw kasi wala daw charge sa ATM. So let's see if there is an ATM. TP Bank. So hanapin nyo lang dito sa District 1 mga parts. TP Bank. ATM. Let's go. So mga parts, tapos kami mag-withdraw. And syempre dahil hindi pa available yung hotel namin, nadaanan namin ni Sisling Sisi itong Bonebanu. Bonebanu. Ang dami kumakain mga parts. Ayan, ganito lang siya. The temperature now in Saigon or Ho Chi Minh is siguro mga 30 siguro to. Pero yan, dami kumakain. Malapit lang to sa hotel. And yung presyo niya is yan. 60 Vietnamese dong. So mga parts, yung conversion dito is, I mean yung currency pala dito sa Vietnam is Vietnamese dong. Para sure kayo sa computation and conversion, yung sa calculator, i-ano nyo lang, set nyo na lang siya na Vietnamese dong to peso. And yeah, tignan nyo nila. So, dami pera ni Kuya. Ha? Dami pera si Kuya yun. And yeah, may buti na lang may picture. Ayan. So, I think 60. So, mga
120 pesos.
120 pesos.
Times
Ganun
2.
ang mura.
Times 2.
Ang mura dito mga part. So, tara, mag-order tayo dito. Kumain tayo dito sa Bonebanu. So ito na mga parts yung best seller nila, which is the Boni Trum Pate, which is actually beef, sausage, egg, and pate. They serve always with ban.
Kaso kinain na namin.
Kinain namin, nagutom na kami. But yeah, this is only 78,000 dong, which is 168 pesos, more or less. So yeah, let's eat! Let's eat! So mga parts, tapat lang nung Bonebanu, meron ditong coffee house. And gusto namin mag-coffee kasi nga ang aga nung flight namin. Hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. So mukha naman siyang okay. Nag-order lang kami ng coffee. You can try also this one. It's a nice place. Yabe. They also have a second floor. Hello. Say hi. Mga parts, first taste of Vietnamese coffee. Na legit Vietnamese coffee. Sarap. Sarap, sobrang sarap. So mga parts, habang hinihintay namin yung aming hotel, wala pa naman. Sobrang ganda ng location ng hotel namin sa District 1. Ang lapit lang sa mga tourist destination. So after namin ng coffee house, punta na tayo ng Bentan Market. This one, Cho Bentan. Sikat din to and mas visit din dito sa Ho Chi Minh. So mga Changi yan and mga kung anik-anik. Kung may mga bibiling kayong pasalubong, etc. Ito lang siya. Yan.
Init! Ang init!
Mainit lang today pero hindi kami nagreklamo kasi hindi din maulan. Ayaw din namin umulan. Yan. So, papasok tayo dito sa Bentan Market. Pasok tayo sa Bentan Market. Bentan. Hindi Bentan, kundi Bentan Market. Let's go. Sago. Aray. So yan, parang mga damit, mga kung anik-anik sa Bentan Markets. Market talaga siya. Kasi ang ganda din ako. Siguro maganda rin paggabi.
Meron din pala sila mga patahe na in one day.
Chicken. Mga parts meron din dito para mga paluto. If we will have
Smoothie,
if we will have the chance, pwede natin try dito, no? Yeah. Ayun, no, yung mga ganyan na parang authentic. Ay, parang halo-halo yun. Ayun, no?
Hello.
Halo.
Can I help you? Are you hungry something?
Nothing. This way. Dito naman mga parts, may mga fruits din. Dito yung food, I think yung food. Mga pasalubong. Yan, dito sa Bentan Market. Kitchen. Rep magnets. Dito no. Yung mga pasalubong. May mga Vietnamese coffee din. Ayan no. Vietnamese coffee. Pang mga kailangan ng ay may din mga spoons. Mga parts nakakatuwa, marunong sila magtagalog. Sabi nila, anong hanap mo kuya? Anong hanas mo? Sabi, alam nila na Pilipino, tapos alam nila yung mga pang ano, kumusta? Anong hanap mo? Dito sa Bentan Market. Punta kayo dito mga parts, maganda experience. Ang dami nyo rin pwedeng bilhin ng mga souvenirs and kung anong hanap mo. Gaya na nga sabi nila, anong hanap mo? Dito sa Bentan Market. Malapit na saan? Sa District 1. Ako gusto ko yung ano.
This is the coffee I make is just now you talking about the wizard.
Card. Siyempre, pasalubong for our friends.
You want hot or ice?
You the 500
Ice.
grams
Okay.
to buy it. That's fine if there's no ice. You want
Oh, I have ice too.
So this is what kind of coffee? The luwak?
Yes, the wizard.
The luwak. Okay, this one. So dito din yun sa Bentan Market mo. They have a lot of coffee over here. Coconut coffee.
Okay, let's try first.
Wow.
I
Can you
have
hold
ice.
this?
I have two ice.
Okay.
You see 130 bawah 100 gram champai. It's a 600.
Oh, it's it. Same with the store. Same with the coffee
No,
shop.
much better than
It's better?
Starbucks. See?
Is that beans or
Wow.
No, I have bean and powder.
see 130
This is only ground.
500 gram
500 gram.
and
750,000.
Sarap.
Yeah.
So mga parts, sobrang tuwa kami sa benta. Natuwa kami sa benta. Nakapag ka. Dami mga ano. Pwede kayo dyan.
Tuwa ako kasi ang daming tumawag sa ating pogi.
Pogi. Anong hanap mo, Pogi? Anong hanap mo, kuya? Mga parts mura lang siya. Like this one, ito nabili ko. Ito lang yung happy na ako.
Kasi nakakatawa, sabi, nag-start 180,000. Tapos
180, 160, tapos sabi ko 150. Okay. And then, yun, bumili din kami ng souvenir. So, must visit itong Benton Market, mga parts. Now, we're going...
Coffee din, binigyan kaming free.
Yeah. Pero magkano yung coffee?
The coffee is...
Magkano yung coffee? 120?
250 grams is... Hindi. 300. Kasi bumalik
Bumalik
kasi papabili yung brother ko ng coffee filter.
Tapos sabi namin, bibili kami. Sabi niya, I'll give you.
No, for free. I just forgot because it's too busy, sabi niya. So,
Yeah, very good. So now, we're heading back to the hotel just in time for the check-in at 2 p.m. Pero dito kami dumaan sa bagong bukas na subway or MRT train station nila. Ho Chi Minh train. Subway. Ho Chi Minh Metro. Bago lang itong mga parts. Na-try din namin itong mga parts one of these days para na-check na namin yung pag-ano. Dahil pag pumupunta kami sa ibang bansa, nagtatrend kami.
Sana all Philippines, habol naman Pilipinas.
Yeah. So, see you at Triple E Hotel. So mga parts, this is our hotel in Ho Chi Minh.
Before and after.
Triple E. Look. Fresh pa din. Ganda ng hotel namin mga parts. Ayun, may parking ng mga motor. Pero sobrang accessible na sa lahat. Nasa gitna siya. This is Triple E Hotel. Dalawa tong branch. Pero piliin nyo tong Benton. Yan. Ito yung...
No, you just press.
Ay, sorry. So, merong waiting area over here. And this is the lobby.
They give me your ID reservation first.
Yeah. Ay, hello.
Here.
Wow, ganda dito mga parts, oh. Ang lamig pa. So, mag-check-in na tayo. Time for check-in.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. They have billiards over here. And the lobby bar. Hello. So nice here. Oh, they have a gym? Oh, they have a little gym. May treadmill. Oh, so nice. They have a gym over here. Free weights. So ngayon mga parts, we'll go to the room. And we're so excited. We can't wait. There's a gym. Not here?
Yeah.
So mga parts, there's two Triple E pala. And then pa din sa kabla. Ito yung totoong Triple E namin. Pero maganda parehas. Kaya pala sabi ko it's different. But yeah, it's the same.
Ciao.
Hello, we're back. There's another Triple E over there. And there's another over there. So that is why it's Triple E? No.
It's quadruple.
But this is the other Triple E. Parang same naman siya. But this one, they have a buffet. I think this is the place for the breakfast buffet. So nice. Same naman. Same naman mga parts. Parehas maganda. So, well, let's check the hotel room. So, syempre mga parts, let's do a room tour. Yan. Ganda. So, yung room namin mga parts is 602A. So, pag gusto nyo ng magandang view at yung room na pa, ito yung pinili. 602A. So, let's go. So, pagpasok ng mga parts, dito nilagay ng mga gamit. So, may mga hangahan. And then, safe. Meron din hair dryer. So, no problem. May chinelas, may safe din. Both mga lagayan. Meron dito full body mirror. So, pwede din yung selfie na. Nandiyan naman yung aircon, yung smoking. And we have a TV over here. Oh, so I think may bayad. They have complimentary water. Drink me, free of charge. May mirror. Oh, may ano dito. Personal wrap. Wow. Oh, pero I think may bayad. Maybe. Yan. So may working station over here and mga parts ang pinagusto ko dito ay itong view. Tingnan mga parts mo. Ito na yung street niya. So wala siyang balcony pero nakikita niyo dito yung view ng Vietnam. Yan yung street sa baba. Ito yung bed. May dalawang side table and it looks complete. Yan. And ang ganda ng finish niya. And mapagdita na yun. Apple. Wow! Ay, ganda! Ang linis! No? Ang linis. So, mayroon siya dito ang towel. Toiletries. And then, ito na, may towel din dito. May bidet! May bidet! And, meron dito mga toiletries. Ayan o. So, yung shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. Ganda. Meron din rin siya. So yung mga parts, ang ganda ng room namin. Ang ganda. If you want to know more, comment down below if you have questions. Pero nabook ko lang tong room namin sa Agoda at 10,000 pesos for 3 nights. So imagine mga parts, may kasama pa siyang breakfast. And yung amenities, pwede kayong gumamit ng gym. And meron din kayong tambayan dun sa baba. So yeah, kung gusto nyo ng where to stay in Ho Chi Minh, Triple E Hotel. Tapos mga parts, sakto, nagtitrade kami ng pho. Siyempre, must try dito sa Vietnam. And ang pinaka-nire-recommend nila, one of the recommended is the pho Vietnam. Meron dito, nilakad lang naman din from the hotel. And there's another one over here pala. Pho Vietnam. Ah, Michelin! This is the Michelin pala! Wow! Wow! So, let's eat dito sa Pho Vietnam. Hanggang ngayon, Michelin 2025. Let's go! Dito lang din yan, malapit sa Bentan Market and sa hotel namin. Let's go! So mga pars, this is the menu. Pho. So that is 85,000 dollars. There's a lot. Wow. And syempre, ito lagi yung sinisir dito. Magulay-gulay dito. Ay. They also have a lot of drinks over here. So, let's order.
Ito po, yung beef shank po.
So mga partners, ito na ang Pho Vietnam.
Sa yung no coriander.
Michelin star. Of course, mga gulay-gulay. And of course, yung mga kanilang mga sauces over here. This is so Vietnam. Nakaparts, Michelin star to Pho Vietnam. Ang haba ng chopsticks. Alam mo, masyado nakatong.
Lagyan mo ng mga gano'n.
Tikimanong kung nasa ng rock. Mga parts,
Sarap.
craving satisfied. Ang sarap, no? What can you say po?
Sarap.
Ang sarap. Tapos Michelin pa siya. Parang yung last ko sa Michelin, yung sa Hong Kong. Marami din pala sa Taiwan. Ay, sa Taiwan tuloy. Sa Vietnam. So, dito lang yung mga parts. And, ang nagastos namin is 243 Vietnamese dong, which is 500 lang yun.
Sabihin natin yan, 243,000.
243,000 dong. And in peso, that is around 500 pesos. Dalawa na yun na pho and yung gayabano and then coke. So yeah, you must try pho Vietnam here in Ho Chi Minh. Good evening mga parts. It's raining in Saigon. And mga parts, isa sa pwede nyo ding itry dito sa Saigon ay magpa hair spa or magpa spa or magpa massage. So that is what we are doing tonight since we have time to spare. So papunta kami ngayon mga parts ng Lilo Spa. So papakita namin sa inyo mga parts kasi mura yung hair spa dito mga parts. Sa Manila or sa Pilipinas, mga 3,000 pesos yun. Let's go. Pero dito sa Ho Chi Minh or Saigon, mga parts, mga ano lang, 600, 700, ganun lang. So let's go. Samahan nyo kami tonight to have our hair spa. And ako magpapa-foot massage din ako. Let's go! So mga parts, dito kami sa Lilo. Sa Triple Eden siya eh. So, let's go. Yeah, Lilo. Yes. Dito mga parts, kailangan nyo din ng appointment. Hindi siya pwede basta-basta mag-in. So, first time din namin matatry yung hair spa. Kasi nga, it's expensive in Manila. Good evening! So yeah, hi!
What can I put this?
Yeah. Let me help you. Yeah,
Wow, Lilo. Siya. Nice. So, excited ako sa hair spa. Yun yung uso ngayon yung nakahiga. So, panoorin natin mga paano. Sama ko kayo mga parts. Sama namin kayo tonight. So, mga parts, they change costume before our hair spa. So mga parents, nag-avail ako ng package na mayroong foot massage and hair wash or hair spa. Pero inuna na muna yung foot massage. So yun ay 60 minutes na foot massage and 60 minutes na hair wash. Yan. So relax muna tayo for tonight mga parents. Try nyo to dito sa Lilo. So mga pads, we're done with our hair spa and massage. Ano, okay naman?
Yeah, nakatulog ako.
Yeah, masarap. Try nyo yun mga pads kung gusto nyo lang ma-relax. So yung nabayaran namin is 1,048,000. So sa peso yun ay
Times 2. So, parang mga 2,000.
2,000. So 1,000 each, no?
Oo, 1,000.
1,000
For
each.
2 hours.
For 2 hours. Ay, parang sulat na yun kasi sa Manila medyo mahal yun.
800 isang oras.
Yeah, oo. So yeah, try nyo yun mga parts pag nandito kayo sa Ho Chi Minh. If you have some free time, tapos gusto nyo ma-relax.
Ang galing, pwede pala maligo ng nakahiga, no?
Kaya nga eh, actually yun yung ano ko, para akong baby na pinapaliguan nung ano, nung maliit ka pa ng baby ko. And then, yung sa foot massage ko, masarap din siya. Nakatulog ako dun sa foot massage. Yung sa hair spa, okay din naman siya. So, yeah. So, now we're going back to the hotel and see you tomorrow. Good morning mga pards. Day 2 in Vietnam and mga pards, ito yung breakfast buffet dito sa Triple E Hotel sa pinagstayan namin. So para may idea kayo. So they have cereal, of course, coffee, salad, noodle soup, fish noodle soup. Over here they have pumpkin porridge. Sausage, uy, bacon. And pasta. Ano sarap dito? Ito yung breakfast area. Ay, nag-moist. Pero yeah, ito yung breakfast area mga parts. Perfect. So yun mga parts, after na aming breakfast, nag-bill kami ng Cuchi Tunnel and Mekong Delta Tour sa Kluk. And for today, yun yung agenda natin. So samahan nyo kami and let's go to Cuchi Tunnel and Mekong Delta. Thank you.
Ito lang, parang hindi mahirap bumaba.
Yeah, I sure. So ito yung binook namin sa Kluk mga parts. It's mini bus for small group lang. Merong yung iba pang Cuchi Tunnel and Mekong Delta na packet na tour sa Kluk. Pero ito yung pinili namin. So it is 2,200 per head. Cuchi Tunnel, kasama yung lunch and Mekong Delta, tas kasama na yung mga entrance doon sa attraction. So tingnan natin mga parts kung worth it naman and sulit yung tour package na ito sa Kluk.
Okay.
2,200. Yes. So pero ang maganda dun mga parts, pag dito kayo sa District 1 nagstay, free yung pick up and drop off. Pag outside District 1 kasi mga parts, yun, kailangan nyo pumunta dun sa pick up point. Pero kaya I suggest, dito kayo sa District 1 para libre yung pick up ng mga tour ng i-avail nyo. So ito yung aming tour guide. Ay, thank you. Yan, si Ken yung aming tour guide. May pa water. And ang pick-up time is 7 a.m. to 7:30 or 7:15 to 7:30, depende dun sa iko.
Alan,
Okay.
please fill your name in, please. Your information.
Hanoi. Here. You see it? Hanoi. In the north of Vietnam. So from Ho Chi Minh to Hanoi is a bit far. A bit far, right? It was about 1,900 kilometers far away from, by the airway. Okay, see? Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh, alright? But the most rich city of Vietnam was not Hanoi. That's Ho Chi Minh. Here. Okay?
So mga parts, nandito kami sa aming first stop. Handicap.
Anybody over here, please?
Handicap.
Handicap.
Hear me well? Good.
So part ng tour
Alright,
to mga
everybody, so
parts.
welcome to the Lam Thap Company factory, okay, yeah. So this line was opened from 1976 when the war finished 1 year.
Please follow me to have a look what handicapped workers can do. Camera is available here, please. And I would like to show you about this design. It's very Vietnam, very beautiful, and it also the best seller feature here. This is traditional Vietnamese dress called áo dài. Delaying eggshell, seashell, and hand painting together. Taken the red color here because it's precise. The normally feature will get around 40 layers of eggshell powder. And after laying, the surface of the feature is very rough, not smooth. You can have a touch it. If you put it under the light, you will see the rainbow color like this. This is the real model pearl. But if you only see the white color, that's just a fake one, just plastic. And the first, they scanning by hand the design on the model pearl like this. After that, they will use the hand saw to get the details. The policy 3 times. The first time by the west gold. The second and the last time by sandpaper. And we only polish with normal water, and the 3-time polishing will take around, but it is not enough shiny. smooth and shiny after.
Mga pards, after 2 hours, or actually meron kaming stopover dun sa handicraft. 2 hours going here to the Kuchi Tunnel. We're here in the Kuchi Tunnel site. So 2 hours.
Nalakad mo na sa forest.
So yeah, we're walking here in the forest to go to the tunnel. And then dito ang daming tourists ngayon because it's a Friday. And this is also one of the most visited attraction here in Vietnam, and a must actually. So yeah.
Heaven or hell. Because right in front
So
of
be
you,
ready
you
for
will
walking
see,
and
moving
a lot
path.
of
So this is the trap the big council here they use to hunt down
steps.
GI soldier. So what are the things waiting for the GI soldier when they fell down to the trap? Now everyone take a look and don't drop your phone in here. Okay?
So pag nalaglag dyan, no?
Okay. And everyone you already seen the thing underneath, right? Okay. So everyone after you got a photo, please follow me and then share you the information over here. Okay. Nói luôn hả? No. Okay, so everyone.
Like food, like water.
How does we feel back to the hole?
That's why now I believe a lot of dogs need to stay because the big come kill them for
So that's where it's the trap.
You get it? Okay, everybody come over here. I will show you more weapon of the peacock. Now you see more trap different, okay? The first trap we call sticking trap. When you step on the trap, you see it? On the sticking from
So mga parts, yung next stop is yung firing. So if gusto nyong magpaputok ng barrel, you have the option. Pero may bayad, parang 20 bullets is 600,000 US Vietnamese dong, which I think mga 1,200 in pesos. So it's up to you. Tapos 20 minutes yung time you to fire. So kami ni Sisling Sisid, we will just rest and chill here. Hindi kayo magpapaputok ng barrel. So yun, kung narinig niyo yung mga putok ng barrel kanina and ngayon, yan, malakas. Okay. So after nito, yun na, Kuchi Tunnel lang. And nga pa mga parts, ang sa dito, ang ingay, wear comfortable kasi a lot of walking, maputi, lalo pag umulan.
Init.
Buti hindi umuulan today.
Anybody want to give me a ride?
Yeah.
Okay, you can use your photo, camera, video, anything, alright, whatever you want, alright? Yeah. Okay, let's go, follow me.
Tam to trzeba będzie się ciurać.
Okay, don't worry, don't scary.
Sa ilaw. Yuko ka.
Oh my God.
Okay. You alright? Yeah. You like it? Yes. It's very adventure, right? Yeah, we go and look first. This is a fun thing to go on. So normally it's separate.
talaga.
Legs.
Naka-ano lang. So ito talaga yung totoo. Drop the flashlight lang.
Malalim ba?
Oh my God. Manis.
Ay, malalim.
Going down.
Normally, like almost about 80 meters first. They finish about 60 meters or less.
How many meters is this yan already?
Now it's 60 meters. We can allow 40 more, right? But in the end, the space is smaller. It is
Oh.
Right,
Can we feed?
Yeah, you can feed. Okay, but you need to walk by your hands. Okay, you all go right. Look behind you.
It's the wrong day to wear a white shirt.
Oh, it's getting steeper and smaller.
Kaya? Wait.
Kung hindi wala mo ulit.
Careful.
Going up now. Alright, stop here, wait a minute. This is the curve. The curve exact stop. After this, we go to another 40 meter and no exact stop, okay? So now, here left, you get smaller. Smaller. Much more, I can do it here. Let's go. Try the unview still
I
there.
cannot. Wait, sorry. It's high. Let's go. Move forward.
You gonna be behind you?
Yes.
One behind you.
Need me help?
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Okay. Anna
Aray.
and Marco.
Yeah.
You're right, okay, yeah. Okay, keep going to the end. Now we have 40 meter more, okay, to the end. We're getting smaller. Okay, now keep going.
But anytime you can go up na.
We need to
Yeah.
crawl. We need to crawl.
Ah, we need to crawl?
Yeah. Need to crawl.
I don't like. Yes. I don't like to crawl. Yeah, you can go.
You need to crawl there if you want.
Hello. Wow. Oh, you 60 meter.
It's 60 meter.
60 meter.
Beyond, you need to crawl.
You need to grow, huh?
Yeah, beyond 60.
Behind you must crawl.
Yes.
Yeah, no go.
Okay. Oh, not belong to our group. Oh, maybe they keep 100. They coming up to hospital bunker. After this hospital bunker. They coming up here. Your friend coming up
Excuse
here.
me.
I think they.
Yeah.
Okay, follow me.
Mga pars, nag-exit na kami ng Singsisid. After 60 meters? 60. That's what I kasi beyond that point, you need to crawl na. Ayaw namin mag-crawl. Pero yung mga nag-crawl, dito yung exit nila. Mas maliit na yung ano mo. Tunnel.
You can see area. This, let me see the way out.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, very fit.
Teraz to do góry podnieść.
Next step.
O,
Okay, yeah.
teraz to weź na...
Make them up flat. Okay, no.
Under.
Okay, and then raise up.
Oh yeah.
Okay, straight up. Okay, now going down. Alright, you see?
She's gone.
Let's go. Bye. See you in Warsaw. Warsaw. In Warsaw.
Gdzie ona poszła?
A kuku!
Welcome to Warsaw.
How does the Vietnam know there's a
Very good question. They have no map,
Yeah.
but they have a local guide. So normally we have a training class to train the newcomer. Now that local guide normally was a woman.
So mga parts, yung tour namin sa Klook comes with free lunch. So dito kami sa original authentic Thai tuloy, Vietnamese restaurant. So wow, it's a nice place. Sol Cuci.
Right here, please.
So
8 people. 2 of you, please. Jump it up.
can we sit here? Nice place. So this is our free lunch here at Sol Cuci. This is our lunch here at Sol Cuci. There's what is this? Pork?
Fish.
Fish. Soup, rice.
Itong naka-backpacker pa, kayo pa itong may extra clothes, di ba? Kami yung nakamaleta, wala kami dalang extra.
Let's eat. Mga parts, after ng Cuci Tunnel, now we are here in the Mekong River.
After 2 hours.
Yeah, so mga parts, it's 2 hours land travel from Cuci to the Mekong or dito sa Mekong River. Tapos ngayon mga parts, so yun nga, kung hindi kayo pala fan ng land travel or matagal yung land travel, then think twice. Pero ngayon, after namin dito ay tatawid kami to Unicorn Island. So para may mga activities din kami doon. And then doon kami sasakay din ng small rowboat. So tara, let's go. Tawid tayo to Unicorn Island.
Okay, you can step and step. Okay. Here you go. Hi families, so please come.
So let's go mga parts. Andito na tayo sa Unicorn Island. And then go to the other side then.
Yes.
Okay. Here. So the first stop is the bee farm daw. Uy, what's this?
Huwag daw sa pakin ng bees.
Kaya nga.
Kung hindi, 1 versus 100.
Pag may makita daw na mga bees. Ayan na nga, meron nga. Ayan. Ayan, lumilipad.
These bees have no natural predator, so they are pretty calm.
Wag daw sa
Only sensitive during the rainy season.
Hold it.
Oh, of course you have. Okay, slide it.
Cute.
Be careful. Honey calamansi tea.
Yeah. Harap.
Init.
Harap. Oo nga, harap ng banana chip.
Ako mo yung ginger.
Iba yung texture nun.
Say hi to my vlog.
Vlogger ba kayo?
Hi, vlog.
Ikaw, vlogger ka? Talaga?
Ang mga kasama natin mga pals sila.
Anong name mo? Baka naman million.
Oh, hindi. Small time.
This is royal jelly and honey. Ayun yung lasa.
Ah, ang sarap.
Isang combination of fruits.
Parang may condensed milk.
The sun honey, 150.
So mga parts after nung honey tea tasting. Nandito kami sa candy making naman. It's part of the Mekong Delta tour. So, usually they promote coconut candy. So, dito yung process nila. Mano-mano dito mga pards. Pero yeah, it's very good to know how they do the coconut peanut candy over there. And you can also buy souvenirs and pasalubongs over here.
Traditional artists here.
After ng
And why? We
candy
got lots of
making mga
food for you
pards,
to enjoy.
fruit tasting
We
naman.
got we got dragon
So may
fruit,
mga fruits
Samburia,
dito.
guava, jackfruit, Samburia.
Yay!
Yes, jackfruit and pineapple.
Chico, yeah.
Chico, we call it the
Oh!
Yes.
Ayan, dami mga pards. I like. Do you have the salt? Salt?
What is this? You want it?
So dito, tapos may kakanta mga pards ng mga family dyan. So mga pards, this is the highlight of the Mekong Delta.
Tour guide natin.
Yeah. This is our new tour guide, si Victor. Victor, si Ken yung kanina eh. So,
Okay, one by one.
uy!
Okay, sorry.
Hai nữ ngồi chung bắn.
You on the spot.
So, let's go mga pards. Can we have the hat? The hat? The hat?
Wala daw ganun.
We don't have?
Wala daw ganun.
Meron.
Meron din ako.
So this is the highlight of our trip mga pards. Ayan, the Mekong Delta. Small boat, rowboat. Say hi!
In Philippines. Philippines. Ayun o. Yung water coconut. Xin chào.
Ito yung pinaka-last activity mga pards. And yeah, for 4. So sabi nila, yan, don't touch the other side. Just in the middle. Yeah. Mga pards, ang saya ng ano na to. Experience na to. Try nyo to sa Klook. $2,200 per head kasama yung lunch and yung tour kanina sa Kochi Tunnel, yung mga pinuntahan namin, and of course, yung mga merienda, lahat ng items kasama na siya. So, yeah, if you're interested, you can use my code BONGKLOOK to book this tour here in Mekong Delta and Kochi Tunnel. For now, let's enjoy the cruise. Yay! We're done! What can you say? Ano masasabi mo?
Relaxing.
Relaxing. Kayo, ano masasabi niyo mga parts? Okay naman, sakto na. Maganda na experience to...
Kasi kami nasa baha.
Yeah, a good one to end this day. I mean, to end this tour. So, yeah, after Victor, what is next?
Oh, now we go home.
I'll go home? Okay. Say hi,
Unfortunately, we
say
have
hi
to
to my vlog.
Hello, guys.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's go
now
back.
Well,
Here?
everyone. No. How about?
Mga parts, may pre-coconut after the tour. Coconut, buko juice. So mga parts, after namin ng Kuchi Tunnel and Mekong Delta, deserve namin ng masarap na dinner. But unfortunately, going here, sa aming pag-dinner na yan, may injured po. Natisod. Natisod si Sling Sisid. Yeah, so kaya mas deserve namin kumain sa one of the Michelin listed restaurant here in Vietnam. It's Bep Me In. Bep Me In. So, mga parts, nakita ko to na madaming kumakain dito sa Bep Me In. So, kaya nasa Michelin guidance siya in 2023, 24, and 2025. So, must try nila yung kanilang mga signature dishes like itong pancake and then yung mga skewers nila na in-order din namin. So, tikman natin mga parts kung masarap siya.
Mamaya tanongin natin. We'll have you, sir. Right down, sir.
Siyempre mga pards, hindi natin papalagpasin ang Vietnam na 7-Eleven. Ang ganda mga pards, meron silang merchandise sa 7-Eleven. And siyempre yung mga ice cream, ayun yung mga... Oo, ito yung lalahaluan mo ng ano. Mas madami na bibili sa 7-Eleven kasi kahapon, mga parts, pumunta kami ng mini stop. Yun yung malapit sa amin, medyo konti. Pero dito sa 7-Eleven, dami. Mas madami choices. Ooh. It's okay. Good morning mga pards. It's day 3 here in Ho Chi Minh. And after our 2 years yesterday, I'm going to the gym. And good thing mga pards, there's a Anytime Fitness here in Ho Chi Minh. So, nung nag-search ako, there's 3 branches of Anytime Fitness here. So, I'll go to the one second nearest to our hotel, which is around 20 minutes away. So, nasa Grab na ako mga pards. Let's go to Anytime Fitness, the Leaf branch. And let's see. Let's have a quick workout. Good morning, Ho Chi Minh. Oy, come on. What's up, pards? So it's our day 3 here in Ho Chi Minh with Sling Sisi. And mga pards, we are eating here in a must try, and sabi nila is the best pho in Ho Chi Minh. Actually, kahapon kumain kami sa Pho Bat Vietnam, but now we're here at Pho Pasteur. Pho Pasteur. So, we ordered syempre yung bestseller nila, Pero meron dito mga gulay-gulay. Pagkadali ano bang gulay ito?
Hindi ko din alam eh.
And then parang may nilapag na tinapay. I'm not sure. Comment down below. Pag free ba to? Hindi na namin maintindihan. Yan. So yung price is, pag-order kami ng normal yung size, dalawang size, normal size and big size. 90,000 dong, 105,000 dong. Ay nag-order din kami ng spring roll. So tingnan natin mga parts. Pero malaki siya. Nandito kami sa second floor. So sabi nila it is the best pho in Vietnam. So let's go. So mga parts, this is the we ordered yung pho. Ito mixed meat. And sisling sisid. What did you order?
Pho chin. Well done brisket.
Well done brisket. Me mixed meat. So yeah, it looks yummy. And of course, they have the gulay-gulay. They have the lime and the chilies and the gulay-gulay. Is this for free?
Siguro.
So, yeah. Mga parts, we're done with the Powa Pastor. What did you say?
Respectfully, mas gusto ko yung pho Vietnam.
Okay. For him, it's Pho Vietnam. So, yeah, now mga parts, we are looking for a coffee shop naman. So, baka meron naman ditong malapit lang. Let's see. Kasi after mag-pho, mga parts, it's best to have coffee, of course. So, let's go. Mga parts, after 30 minutes of walking, nilakad lang namin from
So dapat 30 minutes. Mga
Powa Pastor.
15 minutes walk.
We're here in the Independence Palace. So mga parts, malapit lang naman siya. Pwede rin kayo mag-grab, pero may entrance fee din. 80,000 dong or 160 in peso. So, yeah. Maganda na.
Lakad dahil sa akin.
Maganda na mapuntahan na din natin to. Para, yeah. Sa susunod ay hindi na natin siya pupuntahan. Let's go! Wow! Bawal pumasok. Ganda. May ganda. Mga parts, this is the bunker. Sa baba. Dito yung mga ano nila. Communication, telephones. And this is how they connect to the radio stations, broadcast. Grabe oh. Ito po si Biyaherong Bong, nag-uulat mula sa Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. Nakatuto kami, 24 oras.
Ako din sa
Dito pa rin siya. And ito mga parts, medyo may parang kulungan. Pero medyo nakakatakot. Pero, yan o. Oh. Grabe. Ang maganda dito mga parts, na-preserve talaga nila. Radio, receiver. Wow. Yung kanilang mga...
Ito yung pinaka-ground floor nung...
Uy, ang daming typewriter oh.
Tama ma? Ground floor to, no?
Oo.
Pinaka-baba.
Pero parang basement eh.
Oh, basement. Above is... kitchen and yung mga banquet area. So, ang galing.
At saka na-preserve nila. Oh, bawal. This is the kulungan.
Taliit ng taliit. Here's...
Para tayo nasa tunnel.
Wait lang, may mapa tayo.
Lloyd White. Lloyd White. Uy, bedroom.
President's bedroom. Oh,
Bakit ganito?
President's bedroom.
Ba't aliit?
Nasa ano, hindi. Nasa dulong-dulo siya. Di ba?
Kasi ito yung president's war room. Pag may bangabag, pag may mga gera, nandito siya. Pag pagod siya, hihiga siya doon. Op. Oh, baka madapa na naman.
Bakit pababa tayo?
Mga parts, after namin ng Independence Palace ni Sisling Sisid, we survived kahit po ay injured po siya.
Yeah, masakit.
At dito na kami ngayon sa Saigon Postal Office here, and malapit na din to sa tapat ng Notre Dame. Kasi yung Notre Dame, mga parts, ayan, ginagawa siya, pero malapit lang siya. Yung Notre Dame, sabi nila 2027 pa daw siya matatapos. And according din sa mga nabasa ko at saka narinig ko, kaya siya matagal because galing pa ng France yung mga materials talaga. Kasi galing France at gawa dati ng France. Anyway, let's go. Pumasok na tayo dito sa Budien or the Saigon Post Office. Let's go! So mga parts, it's Saturday. Iba yung opening time nila pag weekdays saka weekends. (7 a.m. to 7 p.m. or 6 p.m. pag weekdays. Ay, pag weekends. Pag weekdays, 6 to 7. Parang ganun. So, dito mga parts, magpapadala ng postcard. May mga souvenir shops din dito sa gilid. Yan. Postcard. Mga parts, we're done with Saigon Post Office. Nagpadala kami ng postcard and yeah, tingnan natin kung dadating sa Pilipinas. Now naman ay nagkikrave na kami ni Sisling Sisig ng coffee. So we're heading to the cafe apartment. One of the... Yeah, we're riding the Grab VinFast. Yung local brand ng cars nila, yung VinFast. So yeah, working very good, very smoothly naman yung Grab. So, cafe apartment because we are craving for coffee. Let's go. So mga parts, after namin ng Saigon Postal Office ay nandito na kami sa cafe apartment. Yan mga parts, isa sa kailangan nyo mapuntahan. Lalo na kung nagkikrave kayo or coffee lover kayo ang... wow na! Oh, ang ganda! Ganda. Ang cafe apartment. We're here! Kasi gusto na namin magkape. Buti tumigil yung ulan, maulan lang ngayon mga parts. So nag-grab lang kami going here. And buti ngayon mga parts, medyo hapon na. So, open na din yung mga ilaw niya. So, cafe apartment check. So, ngayon mga parts, papasok naman tayo sa loob. Let's go! So, mga parts, sakto naman. Biglang umulan. Nakapag-picture na kami. So, let's go up. Let's go up. Elevator. This way. Mga parts, may elevator. Pero I think may bayad yun. Tsaka mahaba yung pila. So let's just use the steps. So mga parts, finally we find a place. Good day dito sa floor ba to? Pang 8 pala, 8th floor. Yan. So, madami mga cafe dito mga parts, pero depende sa inyo. Pero dito kami gusto namin dito sa Good Day kasi, look, maganda yung view niya. Hello. Umuulan nga lang mga parts, but look at the view. Mga parts, ito na yung in-order namin. Vietnamese iced coffee and salt coffee. Mga parts, road to palpitation. So, hindi po kami nasatisfied. Nag-crave pa po kami ng coffee. So, lumipat kami dito sa Arabica. So, dito sa Cafe Apartment nga, maraming coffee shop. So, nandito kami sa Arabica. Medyo yung presyo na is malapit sa Pilipinas. 200 isang kape. 220 mga ganun. So, nag-order kami ng iced matcha latte and salted caramel. So, yeah. Mga pards! Welcome to Cafe Apartment! So finally nakakuha kami ng magandang spot, ha?
Paluin daw, pati ba?
So we ordered iced matcha latte and Spanish latte. Uy, ang ganda! There's something. So nice. Worth the try naman. So mga pards, after 30 minutes of walking or so, 20 minutes or walking, pinuntahan namin itong Banh Mi Hoi Ngoc. Ito din pinakamasarap na banh mi dito sa Vietnam. Sa Ho Chi Minh. Ay, baka maatrasan ka nito. So, let's order. Ayan, ang dami bumibili. And yung kanilang banh mi is 73,000 dong. So, mga 140 pesos. Yeah. Let's try the banh mi Hoi Ngoc. Yes, here in Ho Chi Minh. So mga pards, walang dining yung banh mi Hoi. Pero ang sarap. Masarap siya kasi ang daming laman.
Pero wala siyang gulay.
Wala siyang
It's a
veggies.
different banh mi.
Yeah, pero ang daming meat. So, kung nagkikrib kayo na ganitong banh mi, tapos isa lang orderin yung mga parts kasi ang laki nyo. Diba? Tapos I think for 2 packs na to.
Para siyang baguette na all meat. No?
Tapos, since wala dong dining, nag-upo kami dito sa Duo Coffee. Para meron naman kayong panulak. So refreshing. Ganyan yung style dito sa Vietnam. Ganyan siya. Para siyang nasa Paris. Mga pards, it's our last night here in Ho Chi Minh. And what is the best thing to do during our last night is to ride the...
Tara!
Uy, yung bilis nun. Mahilo yung viewers.
Front view.
So we booked this night sightseeing tour bus in Kluk for only 330 pesos. Use my code BONGKLUK. Yay! So yun nga mga parts. Dun sa mga ayaw maglakad at saka gustong makita yung mga major tourist destination here in Ho Chi Minh, highly suggested to. Pero let us see kung marirecommend mo natin. Kasi 330 lang naman per head. And you can hop off and hop in kung saan kayo pwedeng gustong bumaba at umakyat. Pero yung binook namin is one round lang siya. So hindi na kami bababa dito sa mga tourist destination kasi napuntahan na namin. Gusto lang namin siya makita kapag gabi naman.
First stop
is the Opera House.
Dạ, xin chào quý khách, chào mừng quý khách đến với Tường ngắm cảnh Việt Nam Sightseeing. Từ đó đầu tiên xin
Mga parts, we're back sa Opera House. Pinatay na ako ng ilaw pero yeah, we're back here sa Opera House. Mga parts, try nyo tong tour na to sa Kluk. Sobrang sulit. Ano masasabi mo, Sisid?
Ganda. Yeah. Amazing.
Try nyo to. Yeah. Makikita nyo yung Saigon or Ho Chi Minh at night. A different perspective naman. So, yeah. Mga parts, one of the best experience here in Ho Chi Minh. Night sightseeing bus, book in Kluk. Use my code, BONGKLUK. So now,
Masaya niya.
now medyo nag-go. Ayaw po, sige po. So mga parts, hindi tayo papayag na hindi natin matikman ang McDonald's Vietnam. So yeah, let's try McDonald's. So, ano to? Order. Self-order. Tapos tingnan natin kung mas mura ba siya or mas mahal. What do you think? Mas mura or mas mahal yung McDo?
Mas mura to.
Mas mura, okay. Konti lang yung mga fast food dito sa Vietnam. Kasi nga, healthy sila. So, let's see.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yay! So, mga parts ito na yung in-order namin. So, this is mine? This is...
Yes. Double cheeseburger kasi sa
let's eat. French fries. And drinks. So mga parts, yung kanilang burger meal is around 100 Vietnamese dong, 100,000. So 210, no? Vietnamese dong. So mga... Same. 400 pesos ito. Yeah, more or less same yung McDonald's.
Same.
At least natikman na natin ang McDonald's Vietnam. That's it.
Ito ay salted calamansi. Salted calamansi. Yeah, salted calamansi.
Yung sa akin, ito yung salted calamansi, ito yung Coke Zero.
Yeah, ito.
Okay. How was it? Ano?
Asang juice.
Matabang pa din.
Oo.
Mga parts, hindi sila fan ng mga masyado maalat, matatamis. So yung kanilang mga pagkain ay saktuhan lang ng lasa. So let's eat the burger. So mga pards, bagong-bagong bukas lang yung MTR or MRT ng Ho Chi Minh. So kailangan natin siyang ma-experience. It's magkano?
14,000 divided by 2. So, 7.
7. So 14 pesos?
14 pesos isa.
14 pesos para ka lang nag-jeep. Punta kami ng Bentan. So sabi, go down. So ito, bagong-bago itong mga parts.
Yeah, even yung mga mga locals.
System nila.
Even yung mga locals naliligaw pa. Nandun pa sila sa ticketing counter, wala pa sa vending machine.
Hindi, naka-off din yung mga vending machine. Ayun o, Bentan for Bentan. 1.
9-1.
Parts na experience namin ang Ho Chi Minh train. Anong tawag dito? Ho Chi Minh subway.
Ho Chi Minh Metro.
Yes, Ho Chi Minh Metro. Nice. Mga parts, it's our last day here in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, and so far, so good. So last day namin, and we opted to spend our last day here in Little Hanoi, one also of the must try and highly recommended by many people here in Vietnam and also Filipinos na try daw itong Little Hanoi. Ang pinakamaganda dito mga parts, ang lapit lang neto sa hotel namin, nasing tapat lang. Ayun yung Triple E Hotel, across lang. And ito na yung Little Hanoi. This is the bigger branch kasi may isa pang branch na mas maliit pero ito yung Little Hanoi. So yung famous nila na egg coffee and then cacao coffee. So pag nakita nyo to, medyo maliit lang yung signage, ito na siya. Pasok tayo. So ang cute ng building niya mga parts. Para siyang touch of French, European. So, 3 floor ito mga parts. Malaki itong branch na to. So, originally, Hanoi, galing siyang Hanoi. So, mayroon dito sa 2nd floor. And, dito tayo sa 3rd floor. Ayan. So, wala lang elevator mga parts. So, kaya, Kailangan malakas ang tuhod natin. Yung washroom. And this is it. Wow. So mga parts, here is our order. This is banana toast, mango toast, and the egg coffee. And what is this?
Egg coffee din.
Egg coffee na hot.
Hindi. Egg cacao.
Egg cacao.
Chocolate egg.
Yeah.
Ito yung egg coffee.
Ito yung egg coffee, yung famous na lang. This is 40, so around 80 pesos. So, yeah, ang ganda dito mga parts. A must really try here in Ho Chi Minh. So now, let's eat. And by the way mga parts, if you are curious what I am using here, internet plan or paano ako nakapag-data dito sa Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, I am using an eSIM. Actually mga parts, it is my first time to use an eSIM. And shout out to Doc Lucen for the code. Mayroon akong 75 pesos discount. So mura lang. Kumuha ako ng eSIM plan sa Romeo. So ang spelling niya is ito, Romeo, for 700 pesos. I think 4 to 5 days na yon. And so far wala akong naging problema. Lagi akong connected sa internet, sa data. So maganda experience ko. And pwede nyo din siyang i-share via personal hotspot, pero it's up to you. Pero kung like solo traveler ka or dalaw lang kayo, yeah, okay siya. So thank you Romeo for my internet. And si Sisting Sisid, gumamit naman siya ng Gcash. Roaming ka, no? So yes, nag-roaming naman si Sisting Sisid. Ano yung plan mo?
Go Vietnam, it's 800 pesos.
For 10 days?
10 days.
4 days ka lang, so meron ka pa. Hindi mo siya pwede i-freeze. Yun. So magkaiba kami ng internet plan. Ako nag-eSIM via Romeo and si Sisting Sisid naman nag-roaming naman via Globe.
Parehas lang naman sila.
Parehas mabilis. So there you have it mga parts. Tapos ng ating travel vlog dito sa Ho Chi Minh or Saigon, Vietnam. And so far, very good na experience namin dito sa Vietnam mga parts. Sobrang na-enjoy namin. For me, it's my first time. And si Sisting Sisig, first time din niya. And kung curious kayo mga parts kung magkano yung nagastos namin, yung total ng more or less or estimate na nagastos namin mga parts, it's around 20 to 25,000 pesos. Kasama na yung flight, hotel, and yung mga ginastos namin na tour and lahat ng mga kinain. Kasi sa mga parts, sobrang mura lang dito sa Vietnam. So yung una, yung flight namin going here and to Manila is via Philippine Airlines. So by the way mga parts, meron akong review nun. If ever interested ka, hanapin mo lang yan sa aking YouTube channel kung ano yung pwede mong expect and kung magkano siya. So, yung hotel na pinagstay namin, itong Triple E Hotel dito sa District 1, I highly recommend this hotel mga parts. Sobrang ganda ng location. Ang mura niya, may complimentary breakfast, may mga amenities, may elevator, and ang bait ng staff. Tapos ang linis talaga, ang ganda ng room, ang laki. Nakita niyo naman mga parts sa room tour. So yung binook namin na ito na hotel is around 10,000 for 3 nights for 2 with breakfast. And nakita nyo, sobrang ganda. Highly recommended. And sobrang dami ng mapupuntahan nyo within the vicinity. And yung mga napuntahan namin mga parts ay sobrang na-enjoy namin yung Puchi Tunnel, Mekong Delta, yung night bus sightseeing tour na definitely book nyo lang sa Klook and use my code BONGKLOOK para magkaroon pa kayo ng additional discount. And mga parts, yung mga kinainan namin mga parts, sobrang yun yung mga highly recommended, best reviews. Some of them are Michelin listed and definitely sobrang na-enjoy namin. Ang pinakamaganda mga parts, sobrang affordable nga. So ang suggestion ko nga, kagaya na na-mention ko sa video, mag-withdraw kayo dun sa TP Bank. And okay din naman kung meron kayong credit card, but not all stores have credit card terminal. So, yun mga parts, pwede nyo sundin yung atong itinerary na ginawa namin kasi sulit na sulit siya, na targeted lang yung mga gusto namin puntahan at yung mga tourist destination dito sa Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. And pabalik na kami ng Manila via Philippine Airlines, so watch out for that vlog as well. By this time, meron na din akong vlog niyan, so hanapin mo lang yan sa aking YouTube channel. And I hope this video was able to help you parts decide, plan, if ever you will be going to Ho Chi Minh or Saigon very, very soon. And if you like this video mga parts, don't forget to subscribe, to like, share, and if you have additional questions, just comment down below. Hit that bell icon para like ka-update sa aking mga YouTube videos, and please follow me in my other social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, also at Behind Bong. So yun mga parts, hanggang sa mga susunod kong YouTube videos, stay safe and healthy. Bye!